Okay, YouTube. I was asked by someone across my channel that they have a 2000 Fat Boy and that the turn signals don't work. So this TSM module is where you want to start. And on this TSM module, and I'll show you by another print here, you want to double check that you have hot all the time on the pin 1. You have ignition power on pin 2, so when you turn the ignition on, it should get 12 volts, and then the ground. Now, chances are if the bike runs, that this has power like it should and ground, because the start relay comes right off of this module. And then you can see over here, the hot all the time comes off the security fuse right there, and then the switch comes off the fuse right here, the ignition fuse. So, at that point, once you know you have good power and ground over there, you want to come to the module here, and you have left turn signal input and right turn signal input right here from the handlebars. Now, I want to show you what that looks like here. There's 12 volt power that goes up to the bars to that switch, and then when you push the switch in, it puts 12 volt power on the other side of that. Now you want to make sure up in your bars that you have 12 volt power going up to the bars. And what has to happen with that is that's the same wire. You see it's an orange with a white stripe, and an orange with a white stripe is the power. If you don't have power on either one of those, then that's your problem with your turn signals. I do want to say, a lot of people have modified bars on their bike. I would go right to that wiring first, because chances are whoever did that wiring messed it up. And I talk about that from experience. I would always say this. I would go to the last thing that somebody worked on, or anything that somebody's worked on in the past, because you're probably going to find your problem there. Sorry to say that if that's you, but that's the truth. Anyway, that puts 12 volts down to the module. So you want to make sure at the module on pin 7 and pin 8 that when you push one of your turn signals, for instance, your right side turn signal switch on the bars, you want to make sure that you get 12 volts down to that module. Same with the left. Now, if you're getting that 12 volts, you should see 12 volts on the other side, and that 12 volts on the left turn signal feed should blink on and off, or should go away, and then there'll be 12 volts, and then 0, then 12. Same with the right. Now, that goes to both the front turn signals, the rear turn signals, and to the dash. So it does go 3 places. Now, neither one's working. Chances are that it's at the module or something like that. You're going to have already found it. But if they are both working, then you want to come down here and you want to go right to this board. And you can see they don't give a pin out to the board, but they do have a black going to every light. And I'm assuming that that's a ground on the light, and that it puts 12 volt power out to the light. And the way you can check that is right at this connector, or right at the module, or right at this board for the front and rear turn signals. Now you have 12 volts down here for the running light in the back, and then you have a brake light down here that 12 volts will be down here when it is that you push the brake pedal or the front handlebars. But your turn signal, the right side's going to come in on 1 and come down here to this connector on 2. And then the left turn signal is going to come in on 3 and come down here to 5. You want to see that you're getting 12 volt power down to that. The front is also similar. I'm not going to go through the front. If neither the front or the back are working, chances are you're already going to know what the problem is. I hope this helps. Please, I got plenty of electrical videos on my channel. Look them up, like and subscribe. It's the least you can do for all this free information. Thanks for watching.